Samsung also believes that 90% of foldable smartphone users will stick with the new form factor and will purchase a foldable smartphone as their next year device. Samsung has supposedly removed one camera module supplier from its list of partners for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5. Although the company will reportedly obtain telephoto cameras from Patron for the upcoming Galaxy S23. Patron was one of the major camera module suppliers for the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and new reports say that Samsung will acquire camera modules for the Galaxy Z Flip 5 from Macnex Camsies and Samsung Electromechanics. This company supply camera modules for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, whereas Sunny Optical will act as a secondary supplier. Samsung have apparently a few key goals to accomplish with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. This year Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes with a new hinge design and a new aspect ratio, which brings down that Samsung will not going to change the single hinge design on the Z Fold 5, because with that we get the IPX8 rating on the Z Fold 4, so we might see a similar design on the Z Fold 5120Hz, 7.6 inches AMOLED display and 6.2 inches cover display. As per the rumors, Galaxy Z Fold 5 will come with a 50-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GN3 sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and 10-megapixel telephoto sensor, but as we are getting closer to the launch, chances are that we might see a big camera update, maybe 108-megapixel main shooter just like we have seen on the S22 Ultra. Galaxy Z Fold 5 is going to deliver for photography enthusiasts as well, and photographers will be able to use the phone for portraits and professional photography. Some features on the camera setup could include digital zoom, auto flash, face detection and touch to focus. Moreover, one can up their selfie game and look great on video calls. The Z Fold 5 has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and the S22 Ultra has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. As this year we get to know about the Samsung, we're going to use a new stacking technology which helps Samsung to put a bigger battery in the same size as the rollable batteries, which means we can hope to get a bigger battery on the Z Fold 5, potentially bigger than 4400 mAh battery on the Z Fold 4, and better charging speed, 45 watt instead of 25 watt on the Z Fold 4. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.